Welcome to the History module in cmdtyView, where users can access and analyze detailed historical market data. The History panel allows users to quickly pull tabular data across multiple aggregations, including intraday, daily, weekly, and even tick-level data. Users can customize the dataset using records back, number of bars, or specific date ranges to focus on exactly the time period they need. Historical data can be enhanced with technical studies or even custom expressions, allowing users to analyze calculated relationships directly within the dataset. The History panel can also be linked to other modules, including option chains, allowing users to pull in historical strike level data like implied volatility and option Greeks. Data can also be easily exported to Excel for further analysis, modeling, or backtesting. The History module provides flexible, data-driven insights, all within cmdtyView. If you want to learn more, find the menu at the top right and click Help, where you'll find full guides and tutorials, or contact our team directly for more assistance at solutions@barchart.com, and we'll see you for the next one.